This is how you apply the ointment. After take a bath, after the palm, rinse it, and then put the shampoo. After the shampoo, yan, i-dry mo lang po sa towel, hindi po sa towel, sa paper towel before you start putting the ointment. This is how you do it po. Just repeat all the donor area. That's how you put the ointment. Donor area, it means where they took your hair and plant it on the empty spot. That's they call donor area. Yan po. Yung ilalagyan po niya ng ointment, yun po ang donor area. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.